Hello friends, welcome to episode 4 of Stock Market Technical Analysis. I'm Aditya from Mostly Bearish. Today we are going to be talking about the different types of charts and why charts are such an important tool for technical analysis. All these videos are a part of a playlist Stock Market Technical Analysis. I'm leaving a link here. If you have missed out on the previous 3 episodes, make sure you watch them. The content that we have covered till now are these. So let's get started with the topic charts and what are the different types of charts. Before we start off, let's understand what the x-axis and y-axis is while plotting these charts. The x-axis considers the time, whereas the y-axis considers the price. The first type of chart that we are going to be talking about is a line chart. Let's take an example here. So if you consider a time frame, for example daily time frame, the closing price of that day will be plotted on a graph. This day closing price would already be plotted. This goes on for the future closing prices as well. All these prices and points on the graph are joined to form a line chart. The second type of chart that we are going to be talking about is area chart. Area chart is extremely similar to the line chart. The only difference is the area which has already been covered, that is the area below the line, is going to be shaded in a different color. The third type of chart that we are going to be talking about is candlestick chart. Candlestick chart is the main chart that I use for my analysis. We are going to be covering what are the different types of candles in the upcoming videos. So as of now, we're just going to be talking about the basics. Candlestick chart works on a concept of open, high, low, close. If the prices went up for a particular time frame, the open will be the low of the body. The lowest it went will be the wick. From there, when it starts going up, the highest will be the highest point of the wick, and where it closes is the closing price. That forms one candle. And the same concept works if the prices go down. The only difference is it will end in the color red. The open will be on top, the highest will be plotted as a wick, the prices move down, the lowest will be plotted, and where it closes, that is going to be your candlestick ending in red. The fourth type of chart is OHLC chart. Open, high, low, close. It's the same as candlestick chart, but the formation or representation is different. You can see the screenshot where I've shown you the OHLC chart. So it's pretty similar. The prices are the side where it opens, the low is formed, goes up, high is plotted, and where it ends on the other side is the closing price. And the same thing works on vice versa where it ends in red candle. The fifth chart that we're going to be talking about is Heikin Ashi chart. This is again a Japanese way of charting. It is similar to candlestick chart. Only their open, high, low, close are based on this formula. Heikin Ashi charts remove the noise which makes a direction clear and can be used to analyze the direction of the market. I hope today's video is clear on what are the different types of charts and how we can be using them. Charts form the basis of technical analysis. I hope you like this video. Make sure you comment. If you have any other suggestion, do drop it in the comment section. I'll be covering this playlist. Make sure to share these videos to your friends and family who would like to learn technical analysis and have a strong insight when they take positions in the market. Do subscribe to Mostly Bearish and like the video as well. Thank you so much for watching.